Hey guys, this is the monthly summary report. I will be as brief as I can with this one. It's pretty straightforward. This is derived from the support strategy goals. So as soon as you document this, the end of the month comes around, you will need to fill out a monthly summary report, basically summarizing how the client did on each of their goals. So these are due at the same time, and they're not due until the 5th of the following month. So you have some time to go through and use this as a reference when you're filling out the monthly summary. The monthly summary is sent to the support coordinator and to the state to show that we're working on making progress with the client. I won't take the time to show you, but I'll point out the goals and the supports are exactly the same as the ones you have in the support strategy for the client. The summary is going to be more in depth than your client hourly logs. They're going to be just the same expectation as all other paperwork, no emotion, to the point, very detailed, as grammarly acceptable as you can make it, and as much content as you can, but again, making it to the point so that it doesn't go on and on. I'm going to read this to show you kind of an example of what we would expect. Jane has been provided a weekly opportunity to go on activities within the community. There have been some instances that Jane's family has intervened in the planning and made it difficult for TNS to provide this support. Jane has been able to get out into the city and go for walks, go to the library, go to the local restaurants, go bowling, and visit neighboring cities for other activities. Football stadiums, walks in the park, landmarks within the city. She has been successful with this goal. That's pretty good detail. The next one I want to show you is referring to her goals, her job goal. So it's, again, you can reference directly to the support strategy to make sure. Here's the summary. Jane was able to work a lot this month on finding a job. She got a job. Jane now works at McDonald's in Tremont. Jane wants to maintain a job at 15 to 20 hours per week. So pretty straightforward detail there. It's not too long, so make it longer with some of the details. What were the struggles she had in finding a job? What other jobs was she interested in that she didn't get? Just be more detailed. I provided this example to be able to point out that although it has great detail and you may think it's sufficient, we've got to make sure we provide a little bit more in depth with what we've done to be able to show that there's some girth to it. You're always going to have this section on the monthly progress report, the monthly summary report, which is the comment on the individual's health and a comment on the individual's contact with the guardian or family. This is important because a lot of the times the staff, the clients will say they haven't had contact, or they want contact, or they are not or are supposed to have contact and they're not having contact. Whatever it is, we need to make sure that we document how they're doing and provide a pretty good in-depth. Don't just say the person's healthy and they haven't had any contact. Provide some insight to the person's health, what they're doing to increase their health, and what they're doing to maintain contact with their family, and what they aren't doing to maintain contact. So I went a little bit more in depth than potentially needed, but it's pretty important for us to know specifically why this summary report is important. It's a summation of the support strategies that we send to the support coordinator. So be on top of it. This is due, so January's will be due February 5th. The monthly summary and the support strategies are due together. This is the bread of our existence as far as True North is concerned. Both of these reports the client hourly logs and timesheets, those are very important in our ability to be successful. So get to know the form again. Do all you can to make sure that it's as detailed and professional as possible, and you'll be successful. Thanks, guys.